Hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, yes, Friday, July the 23rd, 2021. Yes, today the Olympic Games start today, yes. And yeah, today we have two regular Sudoku, also the Sudoku Light we have here, and a Sudoku Heavy. In this newspaper, there's also a 7 extra Sudokus in additional. But first, we will solve these two babies, and this one, the Sudoku Light, will be number 3138. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have 9 big squares with each big square 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. Alright, so this must be an easy one. Sudoku Light. Alright. Let me scan. Which number can I pick? How about the 9? The 9 is a good number because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So we have a 9 in the first column and we have a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 9. Alright. Then, which number can I pick? How about 2, 3? Well, how about the number? How about the 2? Yeah, the 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s. We have a 2 in the last column, a 2 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then we have a 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So in the column between the middle, the second column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Alright. Alright, and now, which number can I pick? How about the number 1? Yes, the 1 in the first row, the 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column with 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 3 and number 1. All right. How about we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits of the number 5. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be here. Alright, 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Alright. And now, let me see. Yes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits of the number 3. A 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 digit left in this column. We have 1, 2. This should be a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 1 digit left in this column should be number 3. 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 5 and number 3. Alright, now I think I do 2 numbers. 2 numbers. The missing 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 4 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Here also 2 numbers are missing in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Here are also 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Here are also 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Here 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. One number is left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see there's 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright, one number left in this third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. Yes, 7 is missing. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 missing number in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. Here also 1 missing number in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 and the 8. 6 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, Sudoku Light. You should do this one, yes. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Just go below and you find the links. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku heavy. Yes, heavier than this one for the advanced people. Yes, experts. See you then. Bye bye for now.